So here's a brief one. For those of you who have not yet come to get the powerful boom and crash strategy which I've been talking about, you have limited time, okay? Because I'm about to change my mind, all right? I'm about to stop giving out the strategies. So if you know you have not yet come to get the strategy, do make sure you do that as soon as possible because you have limited time, okay? It's a very powerful strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account, all right? And this is an opportunity you don't want to miss, okay? Trust me on that. So that is aside, all right? So in today's video, I'll be doing a price action. I'll be giving to you guys a price action strategy, okay? So make sure you watch the video till the end, all right? So let's jump to the video. So guys, from the past few days, I've been dropping indicator strategy alone, okay? So in today's video, I've decided to share with you guys a top-down analysis, all right? What I'm currently seeing in the market on volatility 25 index, okay? So if this is what interests you, stick to the video to the end. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video because there are some vital information I don't want you to miss, okay? So as you all know, I like to do my analysis from the daily down to the 15-minute or the 5-minute where I take my entries, okay? So as you can see, this is the daily and this is what we are seeing here in the market. All right, the market is kind of ranging currently, okay, but let's draw some trend line and support and resistance zone so that we'll get an understanding of what the market is doing. The first thing is that I want to mark out the trend, right? So I can see something here, right? So this is what happened. You can see the price was initially in an uptrend and then it broke below our trend line, came back for a retest here, and now you can see it's kind of heading down, okay? So after marking this down, you just draw your trend line and support and resistance zone so that you get an understanding of what the market is doing, all right? That's what I'm doing now. So after marking it like this, now you see we have a better understanding of what the market is doing now, okay? So now we step down to the 4 hours to see what's going on there. All right, so here on the 4 hours time frame, you can see, let me just step down to the 1 hour so that we'll see what's going on where. Okay, so here you can see around this area that there is a support and resistance zone here. All right, let me mark it out. So here you can see there is a support and resistance zone here, all right, and that is why you can see the price is currently going down, okay? So this is what happened. Price got to this area, got rejected, and now it get back again, and you can see the rejection, all right? So you can see clearly that there's a support and resistance zone there. There's a force there pushing price to the downside, and after marking it out like this, okay, I will now step to the 30-minute time frame to see what I can still do here. All right, so no, I will step down to the 15, right? So here on the 15-minute time frame, I'm going to put in some trend line in order to have a better understanding of what the market is doing. All right, so here now you can see the price just broke through our trend line, and I can decide to wait for this current candlestick to close, okay? So if it closes below this trend line, I'll be going in for a sell immediately. I'll be going in for a sell, and my stop loss is going to be around this area, either above the zone, but if I put it above the zone, it's going to be too much of a risk for me. So I'll look for an area here, either above this structure, okay? I'll place it there, and if it goes against me, I will still go in for another trade again. All right, so that's my plan. So I can still let me go to the 4-hour time frame. I can still decide to mark something here in order to, we only have sell opportunity now, so I want to prepare for the buy opportunity also. So I can decide to put some trend line here now, right? So the reason why I add this here is because I want to get a buy confirmation when the time comes. All right, so now I'm not going to be looking for any buy entry at the moment. Okay, so if price goes against me and break above this zone, I will not be taking any entry in this zone, right, until price breaks above this trend line, come back for a retest, and then I'll look for a buy to the upside. All right, so that's my preparation for the buy entry. So currently now I'm looking for a sell, and what I see it have just happened, so I'm going to be looking for a sell entry now. So I'll open one position, and if price can go back to this area again, I will still open another position at this area here. All right, so I will be taking like 3 positions in this trade, right? But for now I'll just leave it at 1 position to see how it's going to play out, and this is going to be my target area. Around this area here is where I'll be targeting. All right, so if price get to there, I'll make more preparation, all right, for more trade. Okay, but for now I don't want to set my target too high. All right, it should be slow and steady, all right, because I'm a scalper. We get in and we get out. All right, so this is the area I'm targeting for my TP area. Okay, so I just say I should quickly share with you guys. It's a quick analysis. I say I should just quickly share with you guys. All right, so by the time you are watching this video, you should look at the time, all right, and then check your chart. All right, so if you still get the opportunity, then you can join me. All right, so but the real reason for making the video is to just share with you guys the knowledge and like the way I make my analysis, so that you can grab from the idea. Okay, so that is pretty much everything. And if you are a newbie and you are looking for someone to mentor you, all right, or teach you how to trade the forex market, you can check the description of this video. You see my WhatsApp contact there. Do message me. All right, I have a video course that I can give you, and I also can mentor you personally on that. Okay, so if you are interested, do make sure to message me directly and we discuss. Okay, so that's pretty much everything I have for you guys in today's video. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.